Is it time to buy or sell VivoPower International PLC stock? In this video, we are diving deep into VivoPower International PLC. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of March, 2025, our system has ranked VivoPower International PLC as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 464.86% since we first recommended buying VivoPower International PLC just 6 days ago. This translates to an average return of 77.48% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 2.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 85.30% to negative 2.33%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 46.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 56.11% over the next year. In current terms, this would put the future price somewhere between $0 and $1.83. Our latest daily update for VivoPower International PLC includes the headline, High Volatility in VivoPower International PLC Stock Price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $4.18. The VivoPower International PLC stock price gained 84.96% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, rising from $2.26 to $4.18. During that day, the stock fluctuated 76.85%, with a low of $3.11 and a high of $5.50. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 525.75% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which indicates a positive technical sign. In total, 132 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 141 million shares bought and sold for approximately $588,970,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.90, and the lowest price was 61.9 cents. Currently, the price is 57.78%, or $5.72, below the 52-week high, and 98.28%, or $239.12, below the all-time high on the 9th of October, 2020, when the price reached $243.30. VivoPower International PLC, or VVPR, is currently in advanced negotiations with Energy Holdings Limited for an all-cash takeover valued at $120 million. This unsolicited proposal marks a significant potential shift for the company, particularly since Energy is a robust energy solutions provider with substantial revenues and a global presence. The proposal aims to buy out all non-affiliated, free-float shares, indicating a move towards privatization that could streamline operations and enhance shareholder value if realized. Adding to this, VivoPower is poised for a spin-off of its subsidiary, Carrot Digital, through a direct listing on NASDAQ with an implied market capitalization of $250 million. This initiative, alongside a significant stock buyback program of up to $5 million, reflects the company's strategic actions to enhance shareholder returns and market position. In the short term, these developments are likely to create volatility in VVPR's stock price as investors react to the takeover discussions and spin-off news. If the acquisition succeeds, it could drive the stock higher, potentially offering a premium for shareholders. Conversely, if due diligence uncovers challenges or if negotiations fail, it may negatively affect sentiment. Long-term implications hinge on the successful execution of these strategies. A successful takeover and spin-off could position VivoPower for stronger growth, while the buyback program signals confidence from management, which typically boosts investor sentiment and can lead to higher valuations. Overall, VVPR appears to be at a pivotal moment that could shape its strategic trajectory in the energy sector. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022, it was reported that Zacks Investment Research assigned VVPR a hold grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned VivoPower International PLC stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for VivoPower International PLC. The VivoPower International PLC stock demonstrates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $1.89 and $1.01. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 545.36%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, commonly known as MACD. Additionally, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 215 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for VivoPower International PLC. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.22. Without any support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below the support level could lead to a substantial decline in the stock price. This stock is known for its volatility, experiencing significant movement throughout the day. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.39 between its high and low, which accounts for 76.85% movement. Over the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 94.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for VivoPower International PLC, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VivoPower International PLC. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine your exit point. On the downside, VivoPower International PLC encounters its first support level at $3.22. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. Our suggested stop loss is set at $4.04, reflecting a decrease of 3.38%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces considerable risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 81, further amplifying this risk. However, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is VivoPower International PLC stock a good buy? VivoPower International PLC presents several positive signals, yet we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, this stock should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting it may be wise to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of March, we anticipate that VivoPower International PLC will open higher by approximately 8.33 cents, beginning trading at $4.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.